Jai Shri Ram everyone. Welcome back to my channel in English with Desi Madam. I am Rita. How are you guys? I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Friend, in this video, I'm going to tell about a very important topic. So please, it's my humble request to all of you. Guys, please watch the video right till the end. So without, and I can promise this video will very useful, will very helpful for you, for everyone. So guys, without any further delay, let's get into the topic. Friends, today I'm going to discuss a problem, a topic. Topic is how to overcome the fear speaking in English with someone. Friends, I feel that this problem, that problem faced by everyone who are in learning process, who are learning speaking English. Friends, this is a normal process. Okay, it's a normal, not worry. I know it's bothering you, it's hesitate you, but get rid of, okay, get rid of this type of fear. But if you have a fear speaking in English with someone, so I have got a solution, so that you can overcome this problem. So first of all of my I want to give you of my first solution is, when there are very many questions in your mind, why while I am speaking in English with someone laugh at you, someone make a fun of you. Get rid of, okay, get rid of. But instead of this solution, you have a fear to speak in English with someone, so I want to give you one solution. First, when you are speaking in English, first you go in front of mirror, then speak something, okay, with yourself. And this process you will record, okay. After, then when you will see this video, definitely I will tell you, definitely your confidence level is high, your fear is gone, okay. Because when you see that video, you there is no one who judge you, only you judge yourself, okay. So when you see the video, which is you recorded, okay, when you see the video, so you find yourself, you notify yourself mistake, okay friends, you notify yourself. Well, and second time, when you are going to when you will going to speak in English in front of mirror with yourself, you will never do these types of mistakes. So this is the solution, this is the tips which I have got, and I want to share with you. If you like my tips, my solution, this, if you like my information, please do like, subscribe my channel. Okay guys, I will see you, I will meet you till then next video. So, Jai Shri Ram.